Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make steamed fish with garlic and vermicelli, then so can you. Steamed fish with garlic and vermicelli is a classic Cantonese dish originating from southern China. Rice noodles, like vermicelli, and garlic are staple ingredients in Cantonese cuisine, prized for their ability to enhance the natural flavors of seafood. Steamed fish, representing abundance and prosperity, is often served during celebratory occasions. As you enjoy this dish, you not only indulge in a delicious meal, but also partake in a culinary tradition that celebrates the joys of communal dining and the vibrant flavors of Cantonese cuisine. Your first step is to start with the vermicelli. We found a package like this one in our local Asian markets, but you could also probably get them at Walmart. Place 2 of the bundles of noodles into a bowl and then cover them with room temperature water. You're going to let them soak in the water for 15 to 20 minutes or until the noodles are soft. Moving on to the fish. For this dish, you'll want to use a whitefish. When you hear the term whitefish in a recipe, they're referring to any of the species of fish that have white meat. These would include cod, tilapia, flounder, sole, halibut, catfish, haddock. All of these fish will have a more delicate flavor. You want to avoid something like salmon, which has a strong flavor all in itself. Here, Auntie is cutting the fillets on an angle. This is to ensure that each of the slices has an equal thickness, so they'll all cook evenly in the steaming process. We used 3 fillets from the package that we had, which is about 1 pound or 450 grams. Next, we're going to add a simple coating to the fish. It's going to consist of 1 teaspoon of white pepper and then 1 heaping teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix both of those things thoroughly over the fish so that all their surfaces are coated with it. When your vermicelli is ready, we're going to transfer it to a large heat-safe bowl. Make sure that your bowl will fit inside your steamer. Drain the water from your noodles, put them in the bowl, and then we're going to start laying out the fish over top. Try to make them as an even layer so that during the steaming process they're all cooked through evenly. Now we're going to head over to the stove where we're going to add some oil to a small pan and make sure that we also hit the like and subscribe buttons. To the oil, we're going to add about 5 cloves of diced garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger, and about a teaspoon of freshly chopped chili peppers. If you're as heat adverse as I am, make sure you leave out the chili peppers. When we were sitting down to eat later, I made sure to pick them out and put them in my husband's dish instead. But if you're one of those crazy people that enjoy spice, you can put as much in as you'd like. Next, we're going to toss in about 1.5 spoons of black beans. We got these ones from our local Asian market in a package that looks like this. Stir the beans, garlic, and ginger together so that the heat starts activating their flavors. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, then 40 milliliters of water, which is just shy of 1.5 ounces. Keep stirring it and bring the mixture up to a boil. When your sauce has boiled, try to pour it evenly over top of your fish and vermicelli. Then we're going to take your bowl of fish and noodles over to the steamer. Make sure that the water on the inside is already boiling, then cover it with a lid and let it steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Be careful removing the bowl from the steamer when it's done because it's going to be extremely hot. Garnish your dish with some freshly chopped green onions, and there you have it! Fish with garlic and vermicelli. Given that it's made with fish and rice noodles, and that it's steamed, it's an extremely healthy dish. My husband normally doesn't like fish, but for this dish he said he'd make an exception. Here we enjoyed it as part of a complete meal alongside our teriyaki tofu and our scallion oiled chicken, both of which you can find on our playlist. If you tried this dish for yourselves, please let us know how it turned out for you down in the comments. And we put out a new video every week, so make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching.